Hey everyone, welcome back. If PDF thumbnails are not showing up on your Windows 11 PC, you might find it inconvenient to browse your files efficiently. This issue usually occurs due to missing preview handlers, incorrect settings, or even problems with your PDF reader. In this guide, we'll walk you through the best tips and tricks to fix this problem and restore PDF thumbnails on your PC. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to check the File Explorer thumbnail settings on your PC. Ensure that Windows has not been set to show icons instead of thumbnails on your PC. To do so, you have to launch the File Explorer on your PC and then go to the View menu. After that, select the options and then you have to click on the View tab. Then you have to uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Then you have to click on Apply and hit the OK button. After that, you have to restart your PC and check whether or not you have sorted out the problem. Next up, I will recommend you to restart the Windows Explorer on your PC. Note that Windows Explorer is responsible for managing file previews. If this important feature starts malfunctioning or gets into a miscellaneous glitch, thumbnails won't load up. So, I would recommend you to reboot the Windows Explorer to get rid of this problem. To do so, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at once to open Task Manager. And then you have to find Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. And then you have to right click on it and choose the Restart option in the menu. After that, you have to restart your PC and find out whether or not you have gotten the better of the problem. Should the problem still persist, I would recommend you to update the software on your PC because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the PDF thumbnails from showing up. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC and then you have to hit the Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. Then you have to click on Check for Update and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of Windows on your PC, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix PDF thumbnails not showing a problem on Windows 11. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.